sped the video up, so that's why I sound like I just ate helium.
So today is a little bit of a different vlog, I would say. There's some things that have happened that's going to push this vlog to go a little weird. So first of all, y'all, I think everybody who's here is pretty well going to know Lashes is my main horse and the only horse I've ran on in about 2 years. It's crazy. So I haven't had any runs on any other horses, and yeah. So, having said, I'm already like packed the trailer for myself, cleaned it, might have gotten some help, but you know. So Lashes went lame, not yesterday, but the day before, I think. She was lame. I got on her and I was being lazy, so I was riding her bareback, and whenever I started trotting her, her head was just like, so she was lame. So I gave her yesterday off, and we had her on some pain meds, just, and like, got her shot and all this, trying to find out and trying to keep her comfortable, or trying to find out what's going on. We can't find out what's going on. She's still off today, and you know, I'm standing second in my buckle series, and that's why I show the difference kind of, and of course second is 1 point behind, or third is 1 point behind me, and I'm in second, so like, you know, I was like, if I take Lashes, there's a pretty good chance I can win again. That horse is not worth any buckle, like, to me. She's just not worth it, and you know, so if it'll make her last a year longer, I'm not doing it. So, you know, that being said, we're still going to the show. But there's a little bit of a twist. Peach is the horse I've had that can run barrels. So y'all, welcome to my first show on Peach. I know, it's as crazy as it seems. I'm very excited. I've been making like game plans all morning. Not all morning, for like the last 30 minutes. But yeah, so this is kind of crazy. Also, there is a special guest. Y'all will figure out who she is later. So, Megan. That was not you. So my cousin's also down from where she lives, and she thought she was a special guest. No, I didn't know. She's wondering why you told me. Well, anyway, there is a special guest, and it's not her. It's another YouTuber. This is a collab video, which it's a pretty well seen collab. Also, I was having y'all ask for more helmet cam videos. So, y'all get what y'all asked for. Also, there's a poll on YouTube that votes on my outfit. So it's either this black outfit or there's another blue one. We'll see which one I end up wearing. Y'all cannot make up your mind. Anyway, I will see y'all at the barn.
So now we're going up to the barn. Yeah, so it's probably another 15 minutes till we leave. Not even. Yeah, and we're just now going up to the barn. Also, y'all on the poll voted blue. Do whatever y'all tell me to. Like, she's acting so good. Could not be more proud. Hey, Lakin. Well, she broke the pattern. She broke the pattern on poles, is the thing.
20.118. 20.118. Looking for Tesla and then we'll drag.
Come on. Let's go. Come on. Good.
Now we're looking for the factor. We'll have a drag.
Good job. Lakin had a really fast run and got 26. Me and her both had 26 with really pretty runs, but then she came in and I was like, oh, okay. And it was a 24. Let's try this again, Paige. Yeah, I said again. Wait until the next clip and you'll see. Thank you.
Good job.
Okay, going into
Hold on, let's try.
13 to 7 to the lady. Hold up.
She like stops on her own push. She's like, oh wait, I went out too far. Let me just stop.
Pretty rough, but I mean, you didn't get done pretty well.
I was like, I looked like
She don't like that bit. I'm just gonna tell you.
I looked.
Could be. You're pretty loose there. You gonna let her blow a minute?
No, looser.
That's loose. That's way loose.
How loose do you consider your girth?
That's
Oh wait, then we're good.
loosey goosey.
We might just have to cut the feed rail back a little bit. Unless you put paper.
Who are they looking for?
Who? Me?
Okay, pen's ready.
Was it you?
Huh?
Was it you?
No, I think it's that girl. Yeah, it's that girl.
Hey, bring you a good smooth clean line.
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir. We maybe can run home, Peach. Maybe.
Mover, look. Go on, Paige.
Slow and clean. Slow and clean. That's the girl who's beating me.
Look.
$25,199 plus 10.
I'm not running over a cowboy yet.
$199 plus 10.
Hang on, let me get that hat.
I'm not running over it this time. I avoided it last time. Miss Pie, whenever I ran speed, her hat had fallen off and nobody had gotten it, and she just got spooked at the hat and went perfect around that barrel. Yeah, that was fun.
Are you videoing? Are you live feeding up there?
That is so fouling.
So
It is. It's where I got the idea from.
so fouling.
It's okay. Whenever I go YouTube viral.
When you're famous, can I live over there?
Sure.
Remember all those people, peons from way back then?
Right, are they gonna call a name? I think it's me, right?
That should be you.
Okay, the pen is set, and we're looking for Tessa.
Can we at least try it?
Good job.
Thank you.
You're going to have Our timer's set running.
What?
We're gonna need you to run it again. You wanna run it right now?
Can I have a minute?
Sorry, sir.
Can I have a minute?
Don't run now or wait.
Wait.
Thank you. Timer check. My timer.
Wait. Got a youngin' climbing on the fence over there by the timer. Who did?
Get off the fence!
She hurts your back.
I mean, don't go crazy.
You gonna run again right now?
You want to run again?
No.
I want to wait a couple of runs to let her breathe. Wait.
Okay, we're going to start 2017. We're looking for Sydney, Isabel, Chloe, Nathan, Naomi, Victoria, Solitaire, Kendra, and Abby. Looking for Sydney, and then Isabel.
How are you, Miss Pat?
We're looking for Sydney, Isabel, Chloe, Nathan, and I'm done.
Do we know how to pick up a loaf? Her hat's still down there. She got scared of it.
Text about that cleaning.
So me and Peach got 2 opportunities to have a rerun. First on speed because the girl before me dropped her cowboy hat and nobody actually noticed she dropped her cowboy hat. And then next because the timer didn't work because the little kids were playing on the fence. So yeah. Special guest that doesn't know that she's a special guest. Anyway, yeah, we're eating now, waiting on awards. This is taking forever, like beyond forever. Okay, y'all saw my buckle. Absolutely love it. And yeah, Peach pulled through and got me reserve champion. First rodeo. Yeah, I'm so proud of her. And I've actually taken her to 1 rodeo since. And she's turning pages so quick. And hopefully at Natalie Bro Racing, I'll get to meet you this weekend. And my parents were like, Tessa, we'll just come back and you'll be able to come here for your with your trainer and all this, you know? And we'll just come back for the barrel racing and go right back to the cutting. I was like, no, I want to go meet people. Let me go to that Mississippi barrel race and go win some checks. Anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye!